Now, today, start. Take a glass of water, add some salt, fine sand, and sugar to it, and try to dissolve them. Repeat this, replacing water with kerosene. What do you observe? Some solid substance dissolve in a particular liquid. If a solid does not dissolve in a liquid, it is said to be insoluble in that liquid. Salt is soluble in water but insoluble in kerosene. You know of many beverages made by using water and insoluble substance. The property of substance of getting dissolved is called is solubility. Solubility means very simple. There are the properties of the substance. Solubility property means there are the two substance are the use, two liquids are the use. One is a water and another is a kerosene. In two glass, fill up of the one glass water and another glass is the kerosene, and sugars are added in the waters and kerosene. But in the water, sugars are the solubles or dissolves, but in kerosene, sugar does not solubles or insoluble. That means two liquids, one is a kerosene, another is a waters, but their solubilities are the different substance, different liquid, different solubilities. Then next, when we can look through a substance and see thing on the other side, then that substance is said to be transparent. This property of the substance is called transparency. Glass, some type of plastic, clean water, and air are transparent substance. Some substance are the transparent. That means example, glass, clean waters, plastics are the transparent. See figures, that means 5.13 transparency. That means in this window, then attached to the glass, in this glass there are the transparency. Another is a use of the one plastic bottles and clean waters are the add or fill up in this water. Then one point to another point are clearly indicated. That means transparency or transparent. Glass are transparent but wood does not transparent. That means some substance the transparency are the present. Then next, identify the object shown in figure. From which substance are they made? What are these substances called as group? Metal. Substance like copper, gold, iron, aluminums are called metal. Metals are found minerals from the earth. Crust are proceed to obtain the metals. In daily life, metals have various important use. Let's study some common properties of a metal. That means metal. Substance like copper, gold, iron, aluminum are called as a metal. Then another example is the iron nails and any others. Metals are found in the form of the minerals deep inside the earth. They are the found in the inside the earth, but which form? Minerals forms. Then next, deep inside the earth, minerals from the earth crust are proceed, but these mineral proceeds are the form. That means different type of the process in these minerals and formation of the different type of the metals. That means purification of the minerals. Then different type of the metals are the form. That means the gold, copper, iron. To obtain the metal, daily life the metal have various important use. Let's study some common properties of the metal. But the use of the metals, that means door, window, then car, and another's in your village or any buildings, construction sites. Most of time the use of the metal. Then golds are the use in the ornament. Silvers are the use in the ornament. Then irons are the use in the nails and windows. Aluminums are the use in the electricity pass from one point to the another point, they passing through the electricity. Then formation of the wires, the use of the aluminums. Then coppers are the used in the electricity boards. That means the formation of the wires. Then the main properties of the metal. What is meant by metal? Metals is the good conductor of heat and electricity. Then next, properties of the metal. Main properties of the metals. Take pieces of the copper, aluminum wire, or a small nail. Hammers is repeatedly. What do you observe? On hammering repeatedly, the wire become flat. It forms a thin sheet. Metal can be converted into sheet by hammering. This property of metal is called as a malleability. The properties of metal. First property, that means malleability. What is meant by malleability? Malleability means any metals, that means hammering on the metals, these metals formation of the sheets, flat body like structure sheet, it is called as a malleability. But this metal do not break, doesn't break of this metal, there are the formation of the thin sheet, it is known as a malleability. Malleability means, see your textbook, that means figures. That means first, the use of the nails, the hammering, one person hammering on these nails convert into the thin sheet, it is known as a malleability. Malleability means the convert into the thin sheet, but this character only present in the metals, only present in the metal. Suppose one use of the iron nail, iron is a metals, iron is a metal, and hammering on these irons, then this iron nails, hammering on this iron nail, that times these iron nail are convert, that means there are the form thin sheet like structure, it is known as a malleability. There are the first property of the metal is a malleability. Then second property, then next, hot iron nail is hammered and made into thin sheet. Visit a blacksmith shop to observe how this hammering cues into the stage. Iron bar made to revolve continuously while being hammered become longer. The iron can be drawn into a wire. Metal can be stretched and drawn into the wire. This property of metal is called as a ductility. Metal like silver, gold, copper, platinum can be drawn into the fine wire. That means another is, that means second property. First is malleability, second is ductility. What is by ductility? Ductility means first use of the metals, that means which type of the metal? Copper, gold, aluminum, then silvers, and apply the heat or hot of this metal, and hot metals hammering on this metal, then thin formation of the wire, thin stretch of these metals, and formation of the wires, that means see in this figure formation of these wires. Then any metals, apply the temperature of the any metals, and these metals convert into the thin wires, that means these metals are the stretch and formation of this wire, it is known as a ductility. And this wires is formation of which metal? Silver, copper, aluminum, platinum, and others. But golds are the formation of the ornaments and wires. Silvers are formation of the wires, ornament. Then irons are formation of the fine wires. But which process are they apply? Firstly, apply the temperature of these wires, of this metal or hot of these metals, and then stretch of these metals, formation of the fine wires. Then next property, that means the electricity flow through metals. All the metals are conductors of electricity to the generator laser extent. This property is called as a electrical conductivity. Even when pieces of a metal is heated at one place, the whole of this become hot. Is shown that metal allow heat to the flow through them. This property is called as a thermal conductivity. Thermal conductivity. Then next, the metals have typical shiny or luster. Every metal has the characteristic colors by which it can be identified. Okay, that means first is electrical conductivity. What is meant by electrical conductivity? Electrical conductivity means the metals are good conductor of electricity. Why good conductor of the electricity of metal? Because the free electron present in this metals are use of the flow of electricity. That means electricity move from one point to the another point. Example, in your house, use of the copper wire, then aluminum wire. Why there are the use? Because there are the good conductor. That means easily flow of electricity from one point to the another point. Then another is, that means there are this parts, this instrument used in your house, in the kitchen. Why use? Because there are the flow of the heat, from one point to the another point. It is known as a thermal conductivity. Thermal means heat, conductivity means flow. The heat are the flow from one point to the another point. It is known as the thermal conductivity, and thermal conductivity present in the metals. Then use of this, there are the use in the kitchens. आपण किचन्स मध्ये पण काय करतो रे, यूज करतो. Then next, there are the thermal conductivity present in this instrument. Another is, that means firstly I have explained, that means malleability, then ductility. Malleability means thin sheet like, then ductility means formation of the fine wires. Then electrical conductivity means flow of electricity. Then thermal conductivity means their flow of heat from one point to the another point. Next, lusters and shiny means there are the new metals. There are the new metals are the shiny or lusters. That means example, new car, new vehicles is very lusters or shiny. Become there are the old, their lusterity or shiny are the decreases. Why decreases? Because the formation of the chemical reaction. That means only lusterity are present in the metals and absent of the non-metal. That means non-metal is a wood. Wood is a luster or shiny? No, because the shiny is the ions, aluminiums. Okay, metals has a characteristic colors by which is can be identified. The different type of the metal, their colors is the different. There are the easily to identify of which metals. That means different type of the metal means there are the different type. Different type means काय? Different type means what is by different type? Different type means काय? अलग अलग तरह के जो मेटल होते हैं उनके कलर क्या रहते रे, अलग रहते. That means there are the properties of the metal. That means shiny or lusters. Next is the thermal and thermal conductivity. Next is the electrical conductivity. Next is the ductility, and next is the malleability. Then plug the stringing of the musical instrument like tanpura, veena, ring or bell, or heat to steel box with the metal spoon. Strike a wooden table or marble floor with a wooden stick. Note the difference in the sound produced in the two cases. Metal produces a ringing sound. This property is called as a sonority of this metals. That means there are the different type of the instrument. They produce of the different type of the notes. That means veena, tabla, then tanpura, or any others. That means there are the use of the producing of the sounds. There are the main property present in this metal. Which property? Sonority. What is meant by sonority? Sonority means the sounds are the produce. The sounds are the produce, but the sounds are the produce in this metal. This property is known as a sonority property, and sonority property present only in the metals. And another reason, which type of the sonority, which type of the sounds are the produced, different type of the instruments are the form, different type of the sounds are the produced. That means veena, that sounds are the different but use of the metal. Another is the tabla, different type of the sounds are the produced but their use of the metals. And tanpura means there are the wooden box but use of the wires or stick of the wires is the metal. Different type of the sounds or notes are the produced in this. Another is the metals are used in the different type of the instrument in domestical or industrial. That means there is in your textbook page number 39. Different type of the instruments are the form but the use of the metals. Their last property of the metal is a sonority. Sonority means the produce of the sound, it is known as a sonority, but sonority character present only in metals.